Guys, I hope everybody's having a fantastic day, whether you're watching this in the morning, in the afternoon, or in the evening. I am glad you're here. Quick shout out and thank you to all the channel members. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate you all so much. And thank you to anybody who comes through and checks out the content. It means a lot to me. If you do like EDC and knife content and just, sharp, pointy stuff content, if you hit that subscribe button and the bell notification icon, that'll really help me out. So today we've got an unboxing that just came in via UPS, an order that I made on Sunday or Monday for something that is not in my normal wheelhouse. This is a knife that I've been familiar with. I've been familiar with the Collaborator. I have recently noticed that my brother Sharif, Mangana Steel, is a big fan of this knife. And oddly enough, when I was looking for the knife, I just went to Google, found it at a couple of places, and then found a little place called North Rivers Outdoors. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of North Rivers Outdoors, but this is my first order from them. So I've got a shout out. All right, guys. So long story short, or make it a short story long, I was looking for a specific knife to check out because it had become very interested to me. And North River Outdoors was one of the places that had it in stock. ProTech's not going to be at the Nashville Custom Knife Show this year. I usually pick something up from them, from Dave. He's the one that fixed my Mordax. But this is something that's pretty cool. I thought it was pretty cool. Let me get the tape off. I thought it was pretty cool, and it would fill a neat place in my collection. But the story about North Rivers Outdoors, and again, my first ever experience with them as just a customer. Nobody knows I have a YouTube channel. When I buy knives just like you guys do. I'm a knife addict, right? So I found these guys, and I don't know who I talked to, but I had a couple of email conversations because when I bought it, I saw that it was in stock and just grabbed it. And without thinking, I grabbed the smooth handled ProTech PT207. It's ProTech Strider collaboration in MagnaCut. But I grabbed the smooth and immediately, because I ordered it like at 2 o'clock in the morning, right? So I sent an email out and filled out their little online thing saying, hey, I don't want to slow down the shipping on this knife, but if there's any way I can just pay you the extra $30 to upgrade it to the textured. I really wanted the textured over the smooth. And I got an email back that morning about, I don't know, 9 or 10 o'clock in the morning with a link to this knife saying, John, is this the knife that you're talking about that you want instead of the smooth? Just confirm it for me and we'll make it right. And I said, yeah, that's it. And so I got an email back that they just appreciated my business, that they weren't going to charge me anymore for the textured. They sold it to me for the price of the smooth. And I will buy more knives. They carry mainly ProTech, Benchmade, some other stuff. They're out of stock of a lot of stuff, but they're in stock of a lot of stuff. So they're over in Virginia, probably a smaller retail outlet, but again, they did a huge solid without having to. There was no return issue yet. There was nothing like that. So just a great experience. So this is the ProTech Strider PT207. It's a little small, medium-sized knife that I love because it looks very much like a Strider. You guys have seen my F&Grow EF225. The full-size Striders are kind of hard to get your hand on. You can get your hand on them, but they're a little big. They do have a ProTech Strider, I want to say SMG, that's got a 3.5-inch blade that I definitely have on my radar that I was looking for when I found this. It's got a little bit more of a choil, which I really, for all practical purposes, for the way I'm going to carry this knife and for what I'm going to carry this knife for, I don't really need that additional choil, right? But it's an automatic, which is not my normal jam. It flies open. Nice flat ground blade. Wonderful little sharpening choil in MagnaCut. The finger choil is narrow on the PT207, but it's there, right? I mean, I can use it. I can use it comfortably. Like I said, there is a larger ProTech version that I will be seeking out. And I might not have a chance until Blade Show next year, but that's fine. It's not something I'm in a rush for. I'm just in that hypnotic slicey cutty. This is very, very slicey. This MagnaCut is very sharp. Has a very good factory edge. Just a mad win, guys. Not a review, just an unboxing of something I bought before Nashville Custom Knife Show, which will be coming up tomorrow. Today is Thursday. I will be releasing it, so you guys will be notified if you're subscribed. I always release my unboxings when they come in. And tomorrow I will be in Nashville in the morning and back for Friday Night Flicks. I will probably have some stuff to show you guys there from the Nashville show. And then there's a very good possibility I'm going to go back up on Saturday with Brother Dark Gravity if he goes. See how it goes. Play that by ear. But guys, this is the ProTech Strider PT207. It's in stock at a lot of places, but it's in stock at North River Outdoors. I have zero affiliation with North River Outdoors. I just know that their customer service, when I just said, what's the best way? Do I have to cancel this order and put in a new order? I'd really like to get it shipped out today. It was Sunday night, so this was Monday, or it was early Monday morning. And they were like, John, we'll just send you the textured one. So I've had that same conversation with Blade H Screw. I've had the same conversation with some of the bigger retailers, and they're just not set up to do that. You've got to cancel your order. You've got to get their SKU back in the system. These guys were just reasonable. So again, what they lack in supply and knives, they make up for in customer service. I will continue to support them. If you guys are interested in a knife like this, they have them in stock in smooth and in textured. But I appreciate you watching the unboxing. It really stokes me that y'all even check out the content. I'll try to have, by the end of the weekend, a bigger overview on this knife. Not a hard long-term review, but I'll just have spent some time with it. We can do some measurements. We can compare it. I can give you my thoughts. But I love you all. I appreciate the channel members. I appreciate anyone who comes and checks out my content. I ask you all the same thing. Just please look out for the guy or gal to your left. Please look out for that guy or gal to your right. Look out for each other. Go forward with love in your heart. Choose debate, not hate. I love you all. Peace.